Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and to click the bell notification button. And to my returning subscribers, hi family, how you doing? So yeah, and I love you guys. I love you so much. So for today's video, I will be getting lit. So this is the bottle of wine I got. You know, we're not trying to be, you know, otherwise. So we're just gonna drink and get ready. I'm not going anywhere, but I just felt like it's a public holiday. It's, oh yeah, happy Heritage Day if you're in South Africa. So I'm just gonna drink and get ready. So that's what's gonna happen. So if you're interested in seeing how this is gonna pan out, please be sure to carry on watching. So I'm just gonna prime my face. Oh, wait. Let me just fill up my glass first. Oh yes, and a disclaimer, I am of age. And to any of my subscribers that is younger than 18 in South Africa, please don't drink before the right age, whichever age it is. But I'm of age and I'm going to drink. You may drink your young juicies, but I just felt like I wanted to drink, so that's it. We're filling this baby up, so let's put that shit away. But let's have one sip. Some good shit. I'm going to prime with the Catrice Prime and Fine primer. I feel like I want to mix foundations as I always do, but recently I just felt like being bougie. I think it was yesterday or the day before. So today I'm going to be mixing my Nars. I think this is Nars. My Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Macao. And I'm going to be mixing it with the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in the shade Bronze. So I'm just going to mix the two together. So now I'm quickly going to do my brows off camera and then I'll come back on camera. So I am back. My brows are done. Let's have one sip. So I'm just going to prime my lids and then I'll get to the eyeshadow. So the main reason why I wanted to do this video was because I actually bought a new eyeshadow palette, and I wanted to try it on the camera with you. So the first impressions, as well as a get lit with me. So that's what we will be doing today. And also I just wanted to talk. I just felt like talking. So if you did not know, I am colored, and as it is Heritage Day, I felt like I just wanted to, well, it's not really about heritage, it's just about the fact of where I come from and all that stuff. Okay, so on Saturday, I usually don't let people do my hair, except if it's like a proper colored person. I know that sounds very otherwise, but anyone that has specific type of hair would understand where I'm coming from. So I was having this, not a debate, but I was having a talk with my sister on the way to the hairdresser, and I was like, you know what, I don't understand how we have hairdressers, right? I don't feel like there should be a specific hairdresser that can only do specific, like how can I say, there shouldn't be hairdressers that just do Caucasian hair. There should be one hairdresser that does everything. I'm sure I haven't gone to hairdressing school or anything, but I felt like there should be something like that. We are in a world where we want to be inclusive to everyone. So I feel like there should be a hairdresser, that maybe a Caucasian hairdresser, where there's so many of them, that can do like a black person's hair, a colored person's hair, an Indian person's hair. Like they should be able to do those things. Isn't that what they taught in hairdressing school, that you need to be able to do everyone kind of hair? So I just felt like I needed to bring that up. And if you agree with me, put a comment down below, because I feel like, why should we should be able to go to anyone and they should be able to do our hair the way we like it, and not come out with hair that's not blown out properly, or it's not the way you want it. I'm just getting away out of it, but I just felt like that's how it should be. Okay, anyways, so the eyeshadow palette that we will be using today is from Rimmel London, and this eyeshadow palette is the Magnif'eyes Spice Edition. This is apparently a dupe for the Spice, the Naked, I think it's the Urban Decay Spice palette, but this is what it looks like. So beautiful. And I just thought, let me just pick it up, as like I don't really like go out and buy like palettes and stuff, because I already have. So I was like, let me just make an effort to try almost every brand. So this is what I'm using, and this is what it looks like. It comes with applicator. I never use these applicators. Please put a comment down below if you ever use this and what you use it for, because I'm not that one at all. So I'm just going to see if probably I will be able to make a look with this, but let's see if it's worth buying. Oh yeah, and it retails for 189 rand 95 or something like that. So let's try it out. So I am just going to go into my crease with this shade right here. Wow, it's so pigmented. Wow. Okay, I did not expect that from Rimmel. Go Rimmel. Like I've actually never bought anything at Rimmel, have I? No, I have never. So this is definitely a new thing for me right now. I am impressed. So now I'm just gonna warm it up a bit more with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna go in with this orange shade right here, just to bring some more color to it. Okay, I'm feeling it, I really am feeling it. Okay, I am a bit in love with this shit right now. Like how, Sway? How? Okay, so now I'm going to use one of the shimmers. Okay, sorry, I wanted to also let you know there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7 mattes, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 7 mattes and 5 metallic shades in this palette. It is really beautiful. I am going to, I don't know if I want to cut my crease or if I just want to add glitter. Not glitter, a metallic shade, but I am gonna definitely add a metallic shade, but I just don't know what. Let's see. Okay, I'm just applying it with my fingers. So I'm using this shade right here. pigmentation is amazing on this palette, especially because it's only like 189 rand. Okay, okay. So I am a bit in love with this palette, I can say that now. So I'm just going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Sand just to highlight under my eyes and conceal, you know the deal. Just want to clean out as well there. And then going in with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes. So shook at this eyeshadow. Like, why did no one tell me that it was this good? I've been walking past Rimmel counter thing and nobody told me. Nobody told me. I'm actually like low-key shook right now. It is so beautiful. Wow. I've been definitely sleeping on this shit. And now I'm just using my Maybelline Rocket Volume Mascara to prep my lashes for falsies. So pretty. God damn. I can't believe it's such a beautiful, like, I've literally been sleeping on Rimmel. Sleeping. Like, napping even. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with these two shades, the shade, and then smoke out my lower lash line. Like, the only time I've ever seen hype about like Rimmel was like they had this campaign going, and a lot of the influencers were doing like their eyeshadow and stuff with Rimmel. That's the only thing I heard about them. Other than that, I haven't heard anyone like review it or anything. So I'm really shook right now, truth be told. So I'm just going to do I'm just going to put on my lashes, my falsies off camera, and then I'll come back on camera and then we'll finish off the face. I'm so in love with this eyeshadow palette, like, the fuck. And I am using the LA Girl, your girl's ratchet, you know. Dude, this whole thing fell off. So must I still use it? I don't think so. So I'm using just the bronzer. So what did you guys do this long weekend? I literally did nothing. I'm not even gonna lie and say I went to the club. Nothing. I did nothing. I read books. I was watching Netflix. What is your if you do use Netflix, what is your Netflix like go-to? Like, what series do you guys like? I have been into like prison dramas. Well, not prison dramas, prison documentaries, like Inside the World's Dangerous Prisons. Like, I watch those things. And then I watch like I recently started The Good Wife. The Good Wife is so good. It's really so good. I really enjoy it so much because they have a spin-off after The Good Wife, which is called The Good Fight, and I'm absolutely in love with The Good Fight. So I was like, let me just see, because that was like The Good Wife was the main, and then the side was The Good Fight. So I was like, let me just check it out, and I am obsessed with it. Is there anything you guys are obsessed with? If you are, please put a comment down below. I'd love to check it out, and I'd love to see what you guys are actually interested in, because like I'd love to know if we may be interested in the same thing or stuff like that. I'm really interested in that. Oh, I said interested a lot. Shit, man. Anyways, so highlighter. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is per usual, and my Switch Beauty fan brush. Just highlighting under my brows. And I use these 3 shades, which is Golden, Bronze, Bubbly, and Dripping in Gold. And then now for a lippy, I'm going in with the Essence Long Lasting Eyeliner in Hot Chocolate. And I'm just going to line my lips. Okay. And then just blend it out with your fingers. And then I love mixing it with MAC Twig. I'm so obsessed with this chain. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so obsessed. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below to where I bought it. It's a South African brand where you can buy these from, and they are so affordable. I love them so much. So this is the finished look.